We explain exactly what your options are and how we will
Well, if you want to go down
tax
this
issue.
one and just
At J. David Tax Law, only experienced tax
the
attorneys
next
will
one
represent
down
you,
and just
our
stop,
fee
and I'll
payment
grab
plans
2
are
bags and
affordable
go
for
in.
everyone. If you have tax problems, call us now for a no-cost consultation at 904-507-4777. That's 904-507-4777. Or find us on the web at jdavidtaxlaw.com. Peace of mind is only a click or phone call away.
Hey, it's
You
Mark
got
K
your
from the
blinker
Mark K
on?
Show, man. You know what? I love my security system. When I go to bed at night, I go on my phone, I hit a button, it goes beep, beep, and I know I'm secure. And when I wake up in the morning, I grab my phone, I hit the button, it goes beep, and I know that I'm still secure, but I can at least open the door without the alarm going off. And I know that I've got cameras around my house, and I know that I've got 24-hour monitoring, and I know all this because I have
How about I just park right there by that white car?
security in